Hi everyone! Woo! I've got an unboxing. This is a new bag from Songmont. Do not fast forward this video because you're going to want to catch what I have to say here. This bag is brand new. It was gifted to me from the brand Songmont. I do own another bag from them that is really adorable and I'll show you as a comparison in a minute. But I had mentioned early on that once I hit 40K subscribers on this channel, I wanted to do something to show my gratitude. So we did 4 separate giveaways. The first one was this beautiful mini pochette in Togo leather from my collab collection with Dress Up Your Purse, along with this adorable heart key charm. The second giveaway was the box leather Monceau bag from Ateliers Auguste, which is a Parisian brand. Beautiful bag. And then the third most recent giveaway was the Chanel limited edition mirror. So this is giveaway number 4 for the month, and that closes out my 4 giveaways to commemorate 40K subscribers. And I wanted to finish out with a handbag. So let's get in here and then I'll share with you all the giveaway rules as we go through the video. So I'm going to show you every nook and cranny, of course. Ta-da! Look at the color. I already unboxed it myself and I inspected it, and now I want to show you. So here is the dust bag, and the paperwork is at the bottom there, a little bit about the brand, and then the box. Here it is. This is their newest release. It kind of slouches. I'll show you when I take out the tissue paper. It's got a really interesting form and silhouette. So this is called the Drippy Roof bag. Drippy Roof, yes. It's based on the traditional Asian architecture. The roofs, if you're familiar with Asian architecture, this is a Chinese brand. The owner is Chinese, and I believe she's based here in the States, but her mom and aunts and other wonderful ladies have formed a team, and they run the production and the manufacturing from, I forgot the name of the town in China somewhere, but this is one of the up-and-coming brands that I'm seeing a lot on social media these days. And like I said, this is the second bag that I've received from them. So it's a drippy roof design, which is kind of cool. It really reminds me, actually, of the Loewe puzzle bag. Not in terms of the design on the front, but the opening and closure here. So you know how the Loewe puzzle bag, if you're familiar, has that kind of mouth flap, and then it has the zipper underneath. Now, for me personally, this is a little bit cumbersome. But for those of you who love that Loewe puzzle bag design and you love the extra security of a bag like this could be perfect. It's got 2 hidden magnets, which are very secure. It's got this little top handle, which I think is really cute. Definitely fits in the crook of the arm, is very comfortable. And then if you're wondering what this is for, I'm going to show you as well as this here. So you open it up. It's full grain leather. This one is in the ivory color. Comes in 4 different colors. I believe it comes in black onyx color. It also comes in a color called Stardust, which is very interesting, and then a beautiful jade color as well. So here is the strap. Let me move this out of the way so you can get a good, clean shot. I think the jade color of this bag is probably just a shade lighter than the box, right? So anyway, this is the strap. It's fully removable and it's entirely adjustable as well. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes to adjust to your height. And then you've got the 2 little tabs here to hold down the strap. And these little holes here on each side are used to connect the strap to the bag here, right under here. So it goes under here. Let's see if I can do this while I'm looking through the lens. I don't think so. I don't think I'm going to be able to push it through while I'm filming, but you get the point. It goes all the way around and then it goes on the other side. So this is nice for versatility because you can use it on your shoulder or crossbody, but I actually really think it looks cute just like this. And it's hard to find bags that you can carry in your hand like this that are a bigger size. I would call this a medium size. It's not dainty. It will fit quite a bit. So here, this is very smart. You can put your phone. This is an empty iPhone 13 Pro Max case, and you can plop it right in there for easy access. And that pocket is on each side. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, whatever your preference to put your phone. So that's pretty clever, don't you think? According to the website, this bag weighs about 1.2 pounds, so it's not heavy, but it's not feather light. I would say it's medium, so the size is medium, the weight is medium, and I'm going to give you a close-up. This beautiful creamy ivory color Let me take this out, and then I'll show you a couple of other items to show you what fits inside the bag. I'll also compare this bag to a few other bags that you might be familiar with so you can get a size reference. So let me just remove all of the tissue paper. It came really nicely packaged. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got this beautiful caramel brown lining, and then it has one large open pocket here, which I'm sure will fit the phone. Let's see. Yes, easily fits the phone. And this is again the Pro Max size. And then on the other side, it is clean, meaning no pockets. So that's the one pocket on the inside right there. And then this is my hand going in and out. I have pretty long fingers and big hands. In and out. So the mouth is fairly generous, but the zipper ends right here. You've got a little leather piece here, which makes it nice to pull, very easy. So I'll give you a look of the inside. So let's put the phone back in. I'll put that in that pocket. If you don't want to use this, for example, if you're traveling somewhere, it's going to be crowded and you don't think it's secure to put your phone, put it right in that pocket. Take a full-size wallet just for reference, and that shimmies right in there. Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea of how much could fit, right? Look at all that. Now let me grab my mini pochette from my collection with Dress Up Your Purse. That is also, whoops, chain is stuck. You know what it is? The chain got stuck on the magnet because it's obviously metal. It's stuck to it. So there we have it. Can you see that? The magnetic piece also comes through on the inside, so this chain is sticking. But there you go. Now you know the magnet works really well. Then some sunglasses. Still plenty of room on the inside. Card holder. And then let's say I add some keys, tissues, pack of tissues, hand sanitizer, lipstick. I mean, a lot will fit in here. Like I said, it's a pretty good sized bag. And then let's see what it looks like when it's semi-full. It kind of, yeah, so I kind of like this. Like, so you can make it more structured, keep it like that. But if it slouches, this is how it reminds me of the Loewe puzzle bag so much. Now this bag retails for $520. So it's a really good price. I would say it's mid-range price for this full grain leather, nicely stitched. $520 value. This will be gifted to one of you as part of my July giveaways. So again, stay tuned. I'm going to share all the giveaway rules and details in a minute. Now for some quick comparisons. Here's my Louis Vuitton Speedy Bee in the 25 size, just to give you a sense. I felt like these two might be similar in size. Let me move the box out of the way. Don't you guys agree? Kind of similar in size there. Let me put the bag side by side like this. Obviously, the Speedy is going to be wider on the sides, but you can kind of see that they're not too far off. So I'd say these two are somewhat comparable. Although we all know if you own a Speedy, it's kind of like a clown car. It fits so much. Zipper-wise, here's the length of the zipper on the 25 Speedy. And then here's the length of the zipper on the Songmont bag. So it's just a little bit shorter from here to there. I'd say it's about an inch shorter. And then you've got the flap to secure it. I also thought it would be helpful to see it against my Givenchy Mini Antigona. This is the mini size, so it's going to be smaller than the Songmont, but again, somewhat comparable. And I always find that it's helpful to see these side by sides as a visual. There you have it. And then, this is a very different silhouette, but I thought it would also be helpful for those of you who have the Pochette Matisse or are familiar with it. There we have it. Again, somewhat comparable, this time the Songmont being larger. There you have it. And let me also show you the other Songmont bag that I have. So this is the first one that I got from the brand, and this is the little Song basket bag. It's like a little, I don't know, it's like a little potato sack. It's so cute. So this I have worn out at least once or twice, and I don't love the closure. It's funny, this is a little too open and this is a little too secure. Like, takes an extra step to get in. I'm pretty picky, but I think most people will like the security of this. And this is just a little too insecure for me, so I would love a happy medium, but this bag is adorable. So it opens like this with a little magnet. It's also got the buckle here, so you want to crisscross it for extra security. And then you've got the strap. And this right here, this is the small size, by the way. There's multiple sizes available. This little piece comes out, which is kind of cool. Really clever stuff they do. So let me pull this off. And I know some of you have since purchased this bag in a couple different sizes and you're enjoying it, so that's good for me to know. So this is the little kind of like wallet slash pouch that comes with it, and you can use it separately. You don't have to always have it in there, but it does snap on, so I thought that was cute. But I wanted to really show you the colors. They're pretty much the same color, I think. Yeah. Depending on how the light hits it, it might show up differently, but it is pretty much the same color. I would say the grains are a little bit larger and more pronounced on this larger Songmont bag versus the smaller one, but it is always going to vary based on the cow, you know, the kind of leather that they get from the animal. So, oh, if you wanted to see the size reference, let me move this aside. You can see the small little Song bag is quite dainty, fits a decent amount, fits all your essentials, but it's a little bit dainty and taller, and it's got the long handles, and the strap actually hooks onto here, up here, if you didn't know, and this is just a totally different size and style. I did do a whole video on this as well when I first received it, so if you missed that, you might want to go check it out. Oh, here is like a super white piece of material that came with the packaging if you want to see side by side, because also this throw here that I use is kind of like a off-white creamy color. So if you wanted to see how it looked against a true white, you can see here this is definitely more saturated. It's got kind of like vanilla bean vibes to it. Hopefully that's helpful if you're curious about the colors. But Songmont has a lot of different styles, different sizes of bags, so definitely check them out if you're interested for a mid-tier priced, more affordable bag that is kind of like under the radar. We talk about quiet luxury a lot nowadays, although I am tired of hearing about it because I feel like you should just do whatever works for you and not follow the trends. But this bag is just really different and unique and cool. Like I said, it's a $520 value. It is going to be given away, and here are the giveaway rules. First, you need to be subscribed to my channel. I think most of you already are. So thank you. Actually, when I look at my analytics, it says that about 30% of my viewers are subscribed and more than 70% are not. So if you have been watching my videos and enjoying them, I would love for you to subscribe at this point and enter the giveaway as well if you're interested. And then you'd have to thumbs up this video. That just means you liked it, you enjoyed the video, and then you would comment. Now here's where it gets specific. When you comment, please leave me a comment specifying what you like about this bag and why you'd like to enter to win. And please add an ice cream emoji, a vanilla ice cream emoji, because this really does remind me of vanilla bean, vanilla color. And this way, when I see the vanilla ice cream emoji, I'll know that you're entering. Because sometimes I know many of you like to just support me and you leave me comments to read, and they're really fun for me to read, but you're not necessarily entering for the giveaway. So this is a quick way for me to differentiate if you're just leaving me a comment or if you're commenting to win. Okay, so leave me a comment, tell me what you love about this design, why you're looking to win, and leave a ice cream emoji, vanilla ice cream emoji. But don't leave words like giveaway, win, winner, things like that, because I feel like they get caught up in the YouTube filter. And sometimes when I do these giveaways, unfortunately, some of your comments get automatically deleted or hidden by YouTube. That's not me. They do that if they think it's like spam or something. So just stay away from those sort of like words that can get flagged. And then also, please be sure to leave me your Instagram name, but don't put the little @ sign. Remove that and just put your Instagram name. Like put it at the bottom so I'll know. I can tell if it's an Instagram name most times, so you don't have to put the little @ symbol. And if you don't have Instagram, you can just put your email address. Okay? This way I have a way to contact you, because in the previous few giveaways, I was trying to reach the winners and I had a hard time because I guess YouTube picked up on some words and they flagged it and they deleted my comments and deleted my winners' replies. And so it was kind of tricky, but ultimately we got in touch through Instagram, which was great because I know most of you are on Instagram. But if you're not, please leave your email address. This way I have some other way to contact you if YouTube starts giving us trouble with the comment section, okay? So I'll give you one close look again, give you a spin. Look at the stitching. For those of you who are interested in lesser known brands, you know, off the beaten path, something more unique and different, this bag could be it for you. For those of you who have been eyeing the Loewe puzzle bags and you like this sort of silhouette and this opening enclosure and this sort of like slouch look, this could be a much more affordable alternative. I didn't even show you the bottom. The bottom has feet actually, and each foot has Songmont engraved. So the level of detail is really nice. I like how it's folded over like this. And then it says Songmont on the front. And simple. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for those of you who have been just supporting my channel all this time, whether you're a newer subscriber or you've been around since the beginning for the last 4 years. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So thankful for this community. I will continue to do giveaways. You guys know I like to sprinkle them in all throughout the year and surprise you guys. So keep an eye out. But if you're interested in this bag, be sure to enter, and good luck to all of you. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.